Hello students, I am going to explain today the topic human nervous system. Okay, human nervous system, let's classify into two. Okay, that is called as CNS, central nervous system, and another one is PNS, peripheral nervous system. This periphery means central nervous system help in controlling peripheral nervous system. Okay, then further central nervous system divided into by the functioning of brain and spinal cord. And here peripheral nervous system is controlled by central nervous system, which is being control of the involuntary organs like that heart, lungs, kidney. Okay, so this is the peripheral nervous system which is not in our control. Okay, that is peripheral. Further, it is also divided into autonomic nervous system. It is called as ANS. ANS is also further divided into voluntary action and involuntary action. Okay, so these are the further classification of PNS you can prefer. Let's talk about the brain and spinal cord. So student, here I have drawn the diagram. Let's go to the diagram. So here in short I am going to explain the human diagram. This outer layer is outer covering, that is skull, and here the part of brain. Here I have written clearly for better understanding. This is the forebrain. So forebrain of human divided into three parts, that is cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. Here student, thalamus and hypothalamus, mostly hypothalamus is joined with pituitary gland. Okay, this is the second form, that is called as midbrain. So human brain is divided into forebrain, midbrain, and third one is hindbrain. Okay, so hindbrain, here I have written the parts: pons varii, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Okay, you can see your book, medulla oblongata. Okay, this medulla oblongata finally arise spinal cord. Okay, so I will discuss here. I have given that central nervous system, here spinal cord and brain. So let's come here the diagram. So spinal cord. So these are the three. In short, I am talking about the function for your remember, because in board exam it always asks what is the function of cerebrum, cerebellum. Okay, so cerebellum help in maintenance the body, but you know cerebrum is the fourth part. Suppose here human eyes is there, so here forebrain, so thinking, it help in thinking, but it help in memory. Okay, student, body balance. Here corpora quadrigemina also help in memory, control of human body. So function are there, one function. Then student, here I have drawn very colorful diagram for you, that is called as neuron. Okay, neuron means nerve cell. 100 million of nerve cells are present in human body, and mostly these neurons are found in human brain. So let's talk about the neuron shortly. Okay, neurons are different types: unipolar, bipolar, multipolar. This is called as multipolar type of neuron. Why it is? Because when the neuron contain axon and another side dendrites, number of hair-like structure, that is called as dendrites. So this is the multipolar neuron, student, we have to study. So let's understand what is that. Dendrites contain hair-like structure, which is also called as receptor for capturing the signal or stimulus which human got. Then this receptor carry the stimulus and go through that and finally go here, and then it again go to the next dendrite or axon and finally go to the brain. So these are the part. Myelin sheath is a type of protein which is the covering of nerve cell. Axon end, which is the receptor of signal from here. Dendrites region, here I have mentioned one name, Nissl granules. What is Nissl granules? Nissl granules present in the cytoplasm of neuron, which help in synthesis of protein. Which type of protein, student? Neuron protein only. Okay, means it contain rRNA. In future classes, in future higher study, you can understand what are the Nissl granules. So this nerve cell produce its own protein. Okay, it do not divide, student. Only it always remains same in interphase stage of cell cycle and cell division. Okay, so here nerve cell diagram I have mentioned. Okay, then let's talk about how it's work. So suppose here I have taken the hot tea, a cup. So human catching this cup, so what happened, we feel it is hot. How it is? Suppose we are catching the SN, here sensory nerve, and here I have written MN, motor nerve. So sensory nerve, it take the signal, okay, and it goes to the brain. Okay, then brain identify it, okay, it is hot, then human brain responds that by motor nerve, okay, remove your hand, it is hot. So sensory nerve and motor nerve, these two are the nerve present in peripheral nervous system. Okay, student, so by this peripheral nervous system human brain function. Okay, thank you, student. These are the part and function of brain, just follow it. Okay.